All right, basic algorithm. So everyone write this in their notebooks. 13 times 19. Perfect. All right, where do we start at? What digit are we starting with? The 9, right. We'll go ahead and circle. Go ahead and circle that. Okay, so what's 9 times 3? 27. Where does the 2 go? Right, we carry the 2. The 7, where does it go? Okay, good job. All right, what's 9 times 1? Then we're adding what? Okay, so 9, 10, 11. All right, then what happens? We have our sneaky 0 in here, right? Good job. Okay, so now we're done with this one. I'm going to start with the 1. So what is, well, we'll just erase this. Okay, what is 1 times 3? 3, good. And what is 1 times 1? 1? Good. All right, now what are we going to do? Add, right. Okay, so 7 plus 0 is 7, good. 3 plus 1 is good. And 1 plus 1 is good. So here's our answer. So now that you've copied this all in your math notebook, go down and write in your answer, 247. All right, now we're going to check our answer. Now there's a couple of ways we can check our answer. You can solve the problem again the exact same way, or we can use a different method to solve the problem. Which would you guys like to do? Okay, so we have decided to solve the problem using lattice squares again. Okay, so I'm going to erase this. Everyone got it? Hope so. All right, how do we set up our lattice squares? Good. So we have this guy. So we have 13 times 19. And what do? Okay, we divide the boxes. Everyone needs to be writing this in their notebooks. Okay? And we're going to multiply. All right, 3 times 1 is 3, so there's, well, that didn't work. So there is a, what here, a 0 and a 3, okay? What is 9 times 3? Okay, 27. All right, what is 1 times 1? 1, good. 9 times 1? 9. All right, what do we do now? We add? Okay, so this is a 7. 14, where's the 1 go? Here, right? So now we have 2. So is that the same answer? Good job. Yes, so we have solved our problem. Now you need to write your answer but restating it in a complete sentence. So how many desks are in the classroom? Someone answer me but use a complete sentence. Don't know quite yet? You? Good. Good. So we could say there are 247 desks in the classroom. So that's our sentence. So I'm going to write that. You guys write that in your notebook. So there are 247 desks in the classroom. All right. Good job, good job. We got this. Got this down, I think. So, I need you all to find a partner use the person sitting next to you. If there's no one sitting next to you, find someone else or join another group. I'm going to give you a list of word problems. You're going to work with your partner and solve the problems the same way we just did here on the board. Only you can choose whatever methods you would like, but work together, make sure you get the right answers together. Also, make sure you're writing in your math notebooks, not on your template. When you are finished, I also have a math exit log for you, okay? Come up to the front and get it with your partner when you guys are finished. Each of you needs to fill one of these out, and then you need to share it with your partner. Talk about what's difficult for each of you, talk about what's easier for you, and try to help each other out and explain some things, okay? So make sure you're filling both of those out. And then, one more thing. When you are all complete with your math log, come see me. All of you have an assignment to take home today. It is more word problems, a word problem worksheet. And you're going to take your template for your graphic organizer home, and you're going to complete these problems by yourself, and then you're going to bring them back, okay, tomorrow, and we'll look at them. Make sure you get your assignment signed, like we usually do. Have a parent or guardian, somebody who's in charge of you at home, sign that you did it on the bottom of the paper, and you can tell them about it while you're at it. Show them how they can do word problems easier too, right? All right, I'm gonna pass these out, and you guys can start. That is our lesson for today.